Sa tingin niyo po, ano yung naging susi sa growth niyo as a practitioner?
As a practitioner, siguro ano, parang yung accepting the challenges na parang because you were given the trust by the client, so you're able to to deliver. You try to make yourself prepare yourself to be able to meet the needs and the requirement of the client. So parang yun yung yung naging susi because you were entrusted, of course. What you will do is to really scale up. Come up with the necessary na skills and yun deliver mo yung requirement ng client.
Parang very resourceful ni ni Ma'am Malu no. So, pagka naka-encounter siya ng challenge, tinitake niya and then nagagawa niya ng paraan. Pagka ganyan po ba, nung time na yun, meron po bang nag-guide sa inyo or sariling sikap talaga?
Sarili. I do read. Nagtitake din ako mga crash courses, training, yun. Parang, and yeah, reading. Yun, I usually look back dun sa aking mga reference books. I actually read that even after school Wow. Na nagpa-practice na ako, nagbabasa pa ako
Part naman din ng natin, di ba? Kasi the continuing professional development kailangan talaga sa profession. So, yeah. Yung ginagawa ni Ma'am is very sharpening the is a process talaga na kailangan sa bawat pro practitioner.